Mom. Where's Tara?
Gone. When she flew off, she looked just like an Esper. Look, I need to tell you something.
We need to find Tara. I promise I'll protect her. Not so fast. Some of us will need to stay here and defend the Esper and Bannon.
Will you stop leaving everything to chance and take action for once? The Empire will be back. We all need to prepare for another attack. Will you listen? That girl is lost out there!
Why do you always assume I don't care?
Sagao and I will stay here. You must find Tara.
Figaro Castle can shuttle some of us west to Collingen. We'll be able to track her from there.
So we go to Figaro, if you can stomach it.
Welcome back, King Edgar!
Just like old times. I'm gonna wander for a bit.
Castle's pretty much the same. And yet it's different. Mom and Dad are gone. Nothing can ever really be the same. Not after what happened.
The worst he's ever been. He'll be passing for
Your father's final words were that he would entrust Figaro to the two of you.
The only thing any of you people can think about is who'll be the next king.
None of you are even sad. The Empire poisoned him, can't you see? Just like you didn't care when Mom died. You're all awful.
Sabin!
Sabin?
Empire of murderers. You're all just them as them.
Brother, listen to me.
Let's forget about all this nonsense and live our lives how we want to. You said you didn't even want to be with him. A life of freedom, huh? But what's going to happen to this place if we both leave? Dad's counting on us to defend peace people. Let's settle this with a coin toss. Heads, you win. The winner chooses whatever path he wants. No regrets, no hard feelings, okay?
And you chose your freedom. It's been 10 years.